In this video, you'll learn how to fix high CPU usage caused by Claude Code. This guide will walk you through essential steps to identify and mitigate CPU spikes effectively, ensuring smoother operation during your coding sessions. Begin by checking the current CPU usage of your node processes. Open PowerShell or your preferred terminal and enter the command get process node sort object CPU -descending CPU working set. This command will provide a list of node processes sorted by CPU usage. If you notice that the CPU percentage is very high, take note of which node processes are consuming the most resources before proceeding. Next, it is crucial to kill any orphaned node processes that may be running in the background. These processes can linger from previous Claude sessions and lead to unnecessary CPU usage. To terminate these processes, execute the command get process node stop process -force. After this step, reopen PowerShell or your VS Code terminal and start fresh to ensure no residual processes affect performance. To further optimize CPU usage, enable streaming mode. In Claude, streaming mode processes tokens incrementally, which helps prevent CPU spikes. You can activate this mode by entering Claude chat-stream in your terminal. It is advisable to always use streaming, especially when working with large prompts or inputs that contain thousands of tokens. Limiting parallel tasks is another effective strategy for managing CPU load. Running multiple concurrent Claude tasks can significantly spike CPU usage. To control this, set a variable for maximum jobs by entering $maxjobs equals 2. When spawning tasks, use start job, but ensure that you do not exceed the set maximum jobs limit to maintain optimal performance. Reducing the complexity of your prompts or file sizes can also help lower CPU usage. Processing large files or intricate prompts can trigger increased CPU consumption. A practical approach is to split your input into smaller chunks. For example, you can process files one by one by using the command get child itics for each object, Claude chat-file $_ full name -stream. This method allows for more manageable processing and reduced CPU strain. Another way to enhance node efficiency is by increasing the heap size, which allows node to manage memory better and reduces CPU churn. You can set this by entering $end node_options =, max old space size = 4096. If you want this change to be permanent, use the command setx node_options max old space size = 4096. This adjustment can lead to improved performance over time. Running Claude in isolated sessions can also help control CPU usage. Instead of using the VS Code terminal or long-running terminal, start isolated sessions with the command start process powers hour -stream. Each session will run an independent node process, which aids in managing CPU resources more effectively. Finally, it is important to monitor CPU usage in real time. Re-enter the command get process node sort object CPU -descending, select object id, process name CPU, working set. If you observe that a process continues to grow without stopping, close it and consider reducing the size of your prompts or limiting the duration of your sessions to maintain performance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.